You ever been to that closer before?
Yeah, sometimes, not that much.
You know where the Aerospace Museum is, where the fence line? There's a fence line right there. You would park it.
Oh.
So it's right in the planes right in front of you.
That's really nice. And a lot of military planes too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Full Fox Roger, we're service to change west frequency approved. See the view.
There's so many military.
Right, have you going?
Yeah, you got the C-130s. You know they got that.
Course remain north of runway 23. Altimeter is 2990. 2990 on the meter.